Alrighty, guys. Happy Sunday. Hope you're all crushing it out there. So we have to go over Nvidia stock in this video, break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, where I see Nvidia stock going, and most importantly, we're going to break down some numbers as the company's about to report earnings very soon here, guys. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Check out this deal. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, I'm telling you, this is the best deal on the market right now. So if you want some free money, check out that link down below in the comment section and the description box, or go to stocksurfs.com/moomoo. Get your stocks, guys. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So on Friday, Nvidia stock had a pretty good green day, up 0.8% on the day, up over $1.10, and we closed at, let's see, $141.50 after being up over $144 earlier in the day. So in the middle, actually not even in the middle of the day on Friday, more towards the morning on Friday, we hit $144 plus. And at that point, we were up, let's see here, guys, I think 2%, maybe more. Almost 3% actually we were up at that point. And I believe that is an all-time high. Actually, no, it's not. We got about 15 to 20 cents away from all-time highs on Friday, but we pretty much almost hit them, right? We got close. And then we saw the sell-off during the second half of the day. Really, the last 2/3 of the day, we sold off. But yeah, we almost got to all-time highs. We popped heavily out of the open on Friday, which is a good sign overall for the bulls. That momentum is still there. And on this 20-day chart, you guys can see, what are we doing? We are holding the moving averages, right? We're holding an uptrend. We're at a higher low right now, and we actually have an ascending triangle heading into this week on Nvidia stock. Do you see it? We have resistance at 144 to 144.50, and at the same time, we've been making distinct higher lows for a couple weeks. You guys see it right here. We hit $114, held a higher low at 128, held another one here at about 138, and here we are on the close on Friday. We hit about 141, and that is another higher low. You guys can see, and it is holding it as of now. And if this plays out, the ascending triangle, if it plays out beautifully like a textbook ascending triangle, we would break out of 144, 145, and start pushing, dare I say, towards $150 per share. I think that could happen. Keyword is could. Nothing's guaranteed, guys. Please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but in the short term, heading into this week, man, the charts are looking pretty good. And I'm telling you, if we break out of here, there could be a big leg up, man. It could happen. And there could be some hype even before earnings, which are early in November. We'll cover those here in a second. So I'm going to set my alert at mark is at or above $145 per share. So essentially what that does, guys, is it alerts me if it hits 145 and goes higher, right? Pretty easy, pretty simple. So from there, we'll see, all right, is it going to break out? Is it a pump fake, right? We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at heading into this week. The chart looks phenomenal. And here on the 4-hour time frame, it's pretty much an ascending triangle as well. You know, what I just said on the smaller time frame applies to here, right? On this time frame as well, we're making higher lows. We have been for months, but we have resistance at about 144, right? 140, 145, that general $5 window. So if we take it out, break above 145, like I said, we could be pushing. So looks like Nvidia's earnings are on the 20th, so actually a bit farther away. I don't know why I thought for some reason they were on, the 7th or the 6th. I don't know why I thought that. My fault. My fault. Brain fart, guys. You heard of that term, brain fart? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling right now. But either way, they're in November. They're in November, about 3 weeks away from when I'm making this video and when you're most likely watching this video. So this could actually play out beautifully. We might even break out before earnings, given how much time we have until earnings, right? So let me show you guys quickly here the numbers behind Nvidia stock right now. And by the way, if you haven't signed up to my email list yet, what are you waiting for? I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your email. And the best thing is it's free. There's no spam. There's no BS. Just straight up value. I'm sending you again my top 3 stocks right to your email. So check out the link in the description box. Put your first name, put your email, boom. I'm sending you guys, again, my top 3 stocks. I'm actually sending out an email tomorrow, so make sure you guys sign up. So their market cap right now, ladies and gentlemen, is $3.47 trillion. So they actually might be the biggest company in the world right now. Let me do a fact check on that. Microsoft's market cap, where are we at now? 3.18. So Nvidia is a bigger company than Microsoft right now, but Apple is priced close to all-time highs, so maybe that's slightly bigger on a market cap basis. It is $3.51 trillion market cap for Apple. You guys see that right here. So this week, man, it's going to be the battle of the top 2 companies, because Nvidia, although they report on the 20th of November, whatever that date was, Apple reports this week. So it's going to be interesting, man. Apple is just a hair bigger than Nvidia right now. It's at 3.51. Nvidia is at $3.47 trillion. Obviously, a lot of that coming over the last couple of weeks as Nvidia stock has come up extraordinarily, right? It's been unbelievable. So now that it's up a ton, the P ratio has come up. Trailing 12 months, it's at 66 right now. And we can see their forward PE if I want to pull it up, or if it lets me pull it up. What the heck's going on here, guys? Run the likes up. Make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Look, trailing 12-month, we said it's 66. All right, their forward PE. Oh, my gosh, guys. Forward PE is a 36. That is unbelievable. That is insane for how much this company is growing, how much they're projected to grow over the next 12 months. For their PE forward, their forward PE to be 36, I mean, that is insane. There was a point where, I don't think it's still like this, but Coca-Cola, Pepsi, some of these companies were sporting a massive P ratio. It was disgusting. This was like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Or even now, I don't even know. Let me double check now. But there was a point where those value stocks had a 40+ PE, which is like, come on, who's paying that? And now to see Nvidia have a 36, it's like, are you freaking kidding me, man? Yeah, Coca-Cola's PE right now is a 28. I mean, even that on a trailing 12-month basis, even that is pretty high. What's Coca-Cola's forward? It's a 22. All right. So would you rather pay 22 forward on Coca-Cola with zero growth pretty much, or would you rather pay 36 forward on Nvidia with the company growing over 100% projected, I believe? Let me double check that for 2024, right? Yeah, current year. There it is. You guys see it. The proof's in the pudding, man. $125 billion of revenue on average is projected for this year versus 55 from last year. That is unreal. So that is over 120% revenue growth projected year over year for 25 for this year. And for the following year, we're looking at 45% revenue growth. So yeah, that P I think is very much so low. Honestly, I think it's a pretty good level. Pretty good value right now for Nvidia, even though it's pretty much at all-time highs. I know, it's crazy. It's crazy how that works. But for the quarter they're going to report for, Average estimate earnings per share 74 cents. A year ago they did 37 cents, so pretty much doubling up year over year. And for revenue, average estimate is 32.9 billion. Let's see, last year, why is it not here? Come on, what the heck, man? Yahoo Finance has let me down here, guys. But either way, we saw the current year, full year number. It is insane, 125%. I mean, guys, look, it's right here. That is the projected growth year over year on the full year basis. It is ridiculous. So, yeah, what do you guys think about Nvidia? I mean, I'm long. You all know that. I've been in the stock now for a couple months, nothing crazy, and I plan on holding it. I bought the dip, and I'm planning on riding this thing all the way until the wheels fall off, and I'm curious kind of your plan. Let me know in the comments. And, yeah, run the likes up. Make sure to subscribe. And, oh, wait, almost forgot. Shout out. I got to give a shout out. Shout out to everybody that's been joining the Patreon. It's awesome. We're getting a lot of new members. I appreciate you guys. And that's where I'm building out my private portfolio. I'm putting in money every week. You guys see all the moves that I'm making. All the trades, the buys, the sales, the performance against the S&P, which we're crushing the S&P this year, guys. So far, I mean, who knows what's going to happen in the next month and a half, 2.5 months, whatever. But yeah, if you guys want to be a part of it, there's a Discord. I post my charts and ideas. You get more access to me throughout the week. It's linked down below in the comments, in the description, or just go to stocksurfs.com/Patreon. I'll see you guys on the inside or in the inside. Either way, I'll see you guys there. Peace out.